Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the file itself because Windows assigns associations per file type. Right-click the file, choose Open With, then choose another app. Once done, select the app you prefer from the list. If it isn't listed, click More Apps or look for another app on this PC to browse. Make sure to check Always Use this app so Windows remembers the change. This direct approach changes the association immediately and avoids digging into settings first. If you prefer a centralized method, open settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps. You can search by app name or by file extension like PDF to see the current program. Once you find the file type, click the current default and pick a new program from the pop-up. Look for an app on this PC if necessary. This method is useful when you want to change multiple extensions for one app because it shows every association in one place. Finish by double-clicking a few files of that type to confirm the new app opens them. If the association doesn't stick, try clearing with Reset in Default Apps or reinstall the desired program so Windows regains a valid handler. Also make sure file extensions are correct. Hidden or renamed extensions can prevent the change. If problems persist, restart Windows to apply registry updates. This often resolves stubborn association conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.